Everyone, today in my vlog, we're exploring how multimedia and ICT are transforming our world, especially in education, business, entertainment. Stick around to find out how these technologies make life easier and learning more exciting. Gone are the days when learning was just about textbooks and chalkboards. Now, thanks to ICT and multimedia, education is more interactive, accessible, and engaging than ever before. Benefits of multimedia in education: visual learning. Graphics and videos help students understand complex concepts easily. Online education platforms like Khan Academy and Udemy let students learn from anywhere. Self-paced learning. No more rushing, students can learn at their own speed. Imagine learning about space with 3D simulation instead of just reading from a book. That's the power of multimedia in education. Communication has never been faster and easier. Thanks to ICT, whether it's video calling family across the world or sending work emails instantly, technology has brought us closer together. How ICT improve communication? Install messaging and emails. Say hello to waiting days for a letter. Global connectivity. Stay in touch with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Video calls. Meeting and catch-ups are now face-to-face, even from miles away. And let's be real, where would we be without our social media? ICT had made it possible to share ideas, news, and even memes instantly. Businesses are booming. Thanks to ICT, from online shopping to remote jobs, technology has opened up a world of opportunity. ICT in business and work. E-commerce. Buy and sell anything online in seconds. Digital marketing. Social media ads help businesses grow globally. Remote work and collaboration. Apps like Zoom, Google Drive, and Slack keep teams connected. Who needs a physical office when you can work from anywhere? ICT has changed how we work, making businesses more flexible and efficient. Let's not forget how ICT has transforming entertainment, whether it's binge watching your favorite shows, gaming with friends worldwide, or creating digital content. Technology keep us entertaining 24/7. ICT in entertainment. Streaming service. Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus brings content to your fingertips. Online gaming. Play with friends worldwide in real time. Content creation. Anyone can be a creator with apps like TikTok, Canva, and Photoshop. Think about it. Just 20 years ago, we had to rent DVDs. Now, everything is just a click away. So, there you have it. Multimedia and ICT are changing the world in ways we never imagined, making learning more fun, communication easier, businesses smarter, and entertainment more exciting. What's your favorite use of ICT? Let me know in the comment.